through tomorrow evening. Taking a look at what's going on in sports, the Atlanta Hawks are getting noticed for their hot start this basketball season. Guard Joe Johnson has been named Eastern Conference Player of
Šta
the
radiš
Week.
tu, Đurđine?
Hawks are
Pa
5
nemoj na novi krevet, ne možeš. Ajde, ajde.
The Hawks' next game is tomorrow night in New York against...
Gdje si tu pošla? Ma gdje ćeš tu plaziti? Brzo napolje. Napolje zekasta zeka, to je naša nova sobica, nećemo tu da pravimo belaje. Nisi ovdje došli? Nisi. Zekasta zekica, zekasta zeka, šta radiš? Brzo! Ups! Ušla si u sklonište, I can't touch you. We have agreement. If Rabbit gets in the house, you can't do nothing. So she knows, if she ever gets to the house first, I cannot kick her out. I'm a fair player. Get out of there, Georgixa. Okay, we're gonna have to make another video.